better to go 100 meters on Govardhan Parikama with no socks and no shoes. Okay, I did that much. The next time you come, do another 100 meters. Then eventually, after so many visits, you'll finish an entire Govardhan Parikama without any shoes. And Braj Bhakti Vilas is written by Narayan Bhatta Goswami. Narayan Bhatta Goswami wrote Braj Bhakti Vilas in Sanskrit and was translated in Hindi. So this book was written 420 years ago. And he researched all Puranas and everything to find out the glories of Braj Mandal Parikama and so many things. And he said that whenever you're doing Parikama, Chirasikos Parikama or Govardhan Parikama, Varsana, he gives many rules of how you should go on Parikama. No, of course, no shoes, no socks. You should go with a happy mood. Don't complain, and always be eager to see all the lila places that the yatri leader is taking. Oh, come on, we'll go up this hill and see this Charan Bahari. Oh, I'm too tired. I don't want to go and see Charan Bahari. No, it's Krishna's footprints. No, you should always be eager and enthusiastic, because Charan Bahari and Kamivan is way up on the top, and you have to walk so many 200 steps or whatever. So this is one point that these rules he gives. So the one rule he says, when you're on the parikama, somehow you become sick or you can't complete the parikama, whatever that parikama is, then, of course, you don't get the phal, the parikama phal, the fruit of that parikama, the bhakti phal. But he said he found some scripture. If you can do installments, like if you do half Govardhan parikama, and then, it's too much. Then 5 years later, you come and do the other half, then that half links with the other half, and you get the benefit or the bhakti phal of that. It's called padasevanam. Parikama is called padasevanam, right? There's Navaveda Bhakti. So the fourth limb is called padasevanam, and it includes Vaishnav Seva, Parikama, Tulsi Seva, etc. So he said you get the full benefit. So I like to tell people, I say, you go. So no, we'll go and then we'll ride in the rickshaw. I said, no, you walk a little bit, and then you can't finish, you take a rickshaw and go back to your place, and then you next time finish. So it's like everyone, a win-win, I think I say, see if you can walk 100 meters. Okay, can you go another 100 meters? Yeah. Can you go another? Your feet are okay? Well, yeah, I don't know, they seem to be okay. So rather than lowering the standard, find ways to uphold the standard and preach that standard. So I've seen myself, I go on parikama and I see around me other spiritual people wearing socks, because Krishna's watching. When we forget that Krishna's watching, then we take shelter of the comfort zone. My comfort, not Krishna's pleasure. My comfort, when you start calculating in terms of my comfort, my comfort, then Krishna kind of drifts to the background. Holy Dham is Krishna Sarupam. So many shastras are explaining that the Holy Dham is a form of Krishna.